I will show you how to convert any video to an audio. Now, there are different tools that you can use to do that on PC. You can go ahead and search for video to audio converter on PC. Now, there are multiple ones, especially the online ones. Like this one, you can do it online, but there is limit. So there is another one that you can also use, but on this video, I am going to show you how to make use of VLC to do that. Now, to do it on VLC, go ahead and go to the VLC website, which is videolan.org. Now, go ahead and download the VLC player. I already have it downloaded. Click on the VLC player. Now, when you have the VLC player open, mine is still loading anyway. Once you have it open, you select where you have the video, you choose the folder, and then you convert. For instance, it's already open, right? Now look at the bottom right, which is very important, this area. Click on that. Now click on add, just right here. You can notice it says file. Click on add, which is choose file. And then this is actually a video. And if I go to my video area, I have, okay, this is the only video I have. I've deleted the rest. So I can choose this and then do open, right? Now, if I want to play this video, I just click on play. But since I want to convert it to an audio file, I click on this drop down area and then I select convert right here. So when you choose convert, the first thing it's going to ask you is where do you want to save your file? You click on destination and then you choose where you want to save it. Let's say you can create a new folder and then call this convert. And then you hit enter. And then you click on save. So that is where it's going to save it. If you are okay, click on start. And also you can click on the profile to select what profile or what version of MP3 that you want. You can notice it says this to MP3 and MP3 TS. You can choose different version right here, but on default is going to select the main default MP3 format for you. So I'm going to leave the default one, which is this one right here. So once you are okay, you click on start. Even most of the time, I don't even click on that. So once you click on start, it is going to be playing the video, but it's going to be playing the video without saying any word. You can notice the video has started playing. So right now it is converting it without playing the video, which is visually for you. So these guys, once it's complete, you go to the folder where you have it and you are going to see your converted file. So for our case, this is actually where I think it's on videos and convert. This is actually where it is going to be saved. Once it's complete, it's going to be here. This is the video, yeah, right? But it hasn't completed the conversion. So once it's complete, it's going to display right here. So this, guys, is how to convert video on your PC. And you can also do this making use of other tools. You can come to Windows Store and then you search for video to audio converter and then you can use that. But I think I'm okay using VLC because VLC is free and also I already know how to use it. So you can come right here and then you search. My internet is a bit slow. That's the reason why it's being this slow. So you search video to audio converter. There are so many of them that you are going to see. Choose any one and download, but VLC is free. This is not free. I think I've downloaded this and I've also downloaded this and you can notice it right here. So I can use any of them. This one is paid. You can also use that if you want to. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. Don't forget to smash like and I will see you on my next video. Stay safe and peace.